See this question, what they said, let A and B are two sets containing, let A and B are two sets containing 4 elements and 2 elements. Okay, let A and B are two sets containing 4 elements and 2 elements respectively. The number of subsets of A cross B having at least 3 elements is dash. Okay, now A has how many elements? That we have to see. Number of elements in A, 4, right? Number of elements in A how much? 4. Number of elements in B, number of elements in B is how much? 2. So already I gave the formula. Number of A cross B, how much? Number of A cross B, how much? M into N. That is how much? 8. Number of A cross B is 8. Right? Then he is saying that number of subsets of A cross B. See, suppose A set has M elements, the number of subsets will be how much? 2 power M. Right? If A set has N elements, the number of subsets is 2 power N. Now A cross B, how many elements are there? 8 elements. So the number of subsets for this will be number of subsets. Number of subsets of A cross B will be 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 means how much? 516? 256? 256. 256? Huh? 256, no? 256. So the number of subsets are 256. Is asking that the number of subsets of A cross B having at least 3 elements. At least 3 elements is asking. So you should have, these are complete elements. At least 3 elements is required. At least 3 means what? 3 or more than 3. Means first 3 we should subtract from the total. So no elements we take. Number of subsets which have no elements. So no elements का कितने subsets हो सकते? See, no elements, how many subsets will be there? 1, right? No element means pi. Pi is subset 2. Pi only one set. Okay. So what? First I will take no elements. No elements, number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subsets of no elements. ना? No elements का number of subset. कितने होंगे? 1. 1 will be there. Right? 1. How you getting this? I will tell you. Total 8 elements. You have to select 0 elements. So 8C0. In combinations we can use that 8C0, that is equal to 1. Okay. Or in other way, only one null set is possible. That is only subset to this. So 1 count. Right. Now number of subsets as 2 elements. When you have 2 elements, 2 is not a number. Okay. 2 elements. Then how many you will get? 2 elements subsets, how many get? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, like that. Like how many elements you get? 8C1. 8C1 you will get. So 8C1 is how much? 8. 8. Right? Now 3 elements. 3 elements, how many you get? 3 elements, how many you get? 8. अच्छा 8C. हाँ 1 element लेना है ना, no element. Next 1 element. 1 element means like combinations will be there ना, like इसमें 4 is, see, try to understand. Here 4 elements, anything. Okay, 4 elements like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here B is any 2 elements like 9, 10, whatever it may be. Let us suppose like that. So number of subsets, you know. In that 1 element combination is, I can go for 4, 9, 4, 10, right? So 5, 9, 5, 10, like that. Huh? 5. Acha, I wrote 4. Acha. Okay, fine, fine. Now correct na? So you are getting na? You understood? 4, 9, 1, 4, 10, 1. So 2 elements you got? 5, 9, 5, 10. 6, 9, 6, like one element combination I am telling. One element combination. See, 4, 9 is one subset of cross. 4, 10 is one pair, one relation, that is also subset. Like that, how many? 8. Next will be 2 elements, at least 2 elements. So 2 elements will be how many? 8C2. Combinations will be 8C2. 8C2 means 2 elements means understood? Like 4, 9 comma 4, 10. That is one relation. Is subset to whole relation. Like that. 2 elements like that. That will be 8C2. 8C2 how much? 20? Sure. 28. So these are there. Now he is asking what? At least 3. Means 3 or more than 3. Means out of 256, total are 256 subsets. So out of from 256, I can subtract them. So what I get? 1 plus 8 plus 28 I can subtract. So 256 minus 37. So how much you get? 2? Right? Next concept is types of relations. Okay, we'll start now. The question is a void relation, also called as empty relation. I said no, empty relation. Let A be a set. Let A is a set. Then pi is the subset of A cross C. So pi is one set, that is an empty set, which is subset of A cross C. I told you now relation is what? What is the definition of relation? Relation is always subset to A cross B or A cross C, like anything. Like A you are taking a set, then A cross A will be a relation. What is the Cartesian relation? A Cartesian product. If I am taking A and B 2 sets, then A cross B you will get. If I am speaking about A set, then A cross A is a relation, biggest relation. Like if I want to say A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, then A cross A is the biggest relation among the set, A set. So what will be there? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, like this will be there. Like 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 1, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, like will be there. So he is saying that it is a relation on A. The relation is called a void relation. Void relation or empty relation. When we can say, if A you have 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and I am writing a order pair A comma B, such that I am writing A plus B greater than, let us think, greater than 9. I took 9. So tell me here, 1 plus, you take any elements. Okay, A cross A means what here? A cross A means you have A here 1 2 3 4. Here you have 1 2 3 4. So A cross A will be what here? A cross A will be, you will be have 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1. Yeah, right? 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, like you get 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4. Okay, this is a relation. You see then anything you add, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 4 is maximum 8. If I say A plus B greater than 9, in this I am not getting anything. Did I get anything? So this relation is an empty relation. So such relation is called empty relation or void relation. If I write here less than, suppose, okay, it's greater than 9, I wrote it is empty relation. Now if I write R is equal to A comma B such that A plus B is greater less than R equal to 8, I wrote, suppose, less than R equal to 8, suppose I wrote like this. So 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 3 7, all you see that they are less than 8 only, it's satisfied. So in this time you will say universal set, universal relation, because the biggest relation is happening. Okay, got it? Understood? Understood, no? Yeah. So this is empty relation. Understood? Not. Definition is what? You can take any set. Let A is a set, then A cross A is subset to A cross A. Such things are called universal set. Means if they are coincide with the Cartesian product. So it is relation on A. This relation is called universal relation. Means A cross A is subset to A cross A. Every set is subset to itself, right? Like among all the greatest relations, means biggest set, is the relation is forming, that is universal relation. Like here, for suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 4, I am writing a relation here A comma B such that, or you can use this one also, such that A comma B is equal, such that A plus B is less than 10. I am saying that A plus B less than 10. For all, you can write like this, for all A belongs to A and B belongs to also A here, because we are writing A cross A, so we can write set A element also A, set B elements also A. We can write like this. So when I am writing here A comma B is an order pair, A plus B less than 10 I am writing. So what I will get, tell me? So actually A is what here? A is what? A is 1 2 3 4 and A is here 1 2 3 4. If I am writing A cross A cross A is the biggest relation among all the relations. So I can write here 1 2 1, 1 2 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 4, 2 2 1, 2 2 2, 2 2 3, 2 2 4, 3 2 1, 3 2 2, 3 2 3, 3 2 4, 4 2 1, 4 2 2, 4 2 3, 4 2 4. It means here 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. If you see this all, the addition of these order pairs is less than 10. Means this rule is following by all A cross A. So I am getting the relation. This relation is nothing but A cross A I got. So this is called as universal relation. Understood? Okay. Right. Identity relation. Identity relation means what? I A to A. Identity relation को I बोलते हैं. R is a relation. I means identity relation. It is happens one set to another, same set. Okay, it happens to one set to same set. I of A is equal to A comma A for all A belongs to A. So then that if it is you find like this, then it is called identity relation. For example, I will say, suppose you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3, 4 is related to 4. Means you have A to A. I am writing a relation like what I am writing, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4. Only these things, not other things. Like I don't write 1 comma 2 here in this. I should not write. Try to understand this point. Okay. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 I should not write. Why? Because see why I am specifying this, reflex भी ऐसा ही दिखता है मगर reflex में इसमें थोड़ा फर्क है. Identity relation is what? Same. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4. R is this is the relation. R is the relation. है ना? R is a relation. When you have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma. See 1 divided by 1 how much? 2 divided by 2? 3 divided by 3? 4 divided by 4? आया ना? So A comma B such A divided by B is equal to 1. So A comma A, in specially I will say this is what. So R is a relation, I of A is equal to A comma A belongs to A. Such relation is called what? Identity relation. देखो. See reflexive relation. R is a set from A to A. Now relation, R is a relation from A set to A set, and every element of A is related to itself, then it is called reflexive relation. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Suppose you have A here 1 2 3 and here A 1 2 3, because A to A we are talking, right? So it is possible same set to same set. Okay, so the relation R is what? I wrote 1 comma 1. R is I wrote a relation 1 comma 1, and I wrote 2 comma 2, okay, and I wrote 3 comma 3. So exactly I write this much, then it is identity as well as reflexive. And what we can say, if I write exactly like this, we can say identity, okay. But if I write one more order pair like 1 comma 3 extra I wrote 1 comma 3, then 3 comma 1, कुछ भी I wrote like this. Now next 3 comma 2 I wrote like this, suppose. So this is a reflexive relation, but it is not identity relation. Understood? ये क्या है? Reflexive है मगर identity नहीं है. It means what? Every identity relation is reflexive, but every reflexive relation is not identity. Clear picture? Good. See, symmetric relation. And a symmetric relation means is R is a relation from A to A is said to be symmetric relation. A symmetric relation क्या होता है? If A comma B is a relation, then you have to get B comma A also a relation. Like what I can say, what is your name? Samiksha. Samiksha. Difficult. Your name? Aarti. Right? See here Shruti. See Shruti is you sometimes think Shruti's sister is Aarti samjho. Then Aarti will become to her what? Sister, right? Suppose I can say one more example. You are friend of him, her. So you and she also friend to you, right? So like it is one relation. Like you have, if A comma B is a relation, then there will be existing B comma A also relation. Such a relation is called symmetric relation. Understood? Picture is clear? Right. Right. A picture देखेंगे. A is equal to 1 2 3 4. R is A comma B such that A plus B less than 5 is given. For this one, I can write relation. How I can write? Tell me. 1 1. See इसके साथ 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 चलेगा ना? नहीं चलेगा. 1 4 no. Right? 1 4 9. Next 2 1 2 2 2 no चलेगा. Next 3 1 बस चलो बस. सो अभी देखो तो 1 1 का रिवर्स 1 1 ही है, तो ये आ गया है ना, इसको देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 1 2 का कौन है? 2 1 आ गया. चलो साथ में आ गया. 1 3 का कौन है? 3 1 आ गया. 2 2 का 2 खुद है. 1 1 का 1 खुद है, तो आगे ये तो सिमेट्रिक है, राइट. So next relation is transitive relation. Transitive relation. See ये 3 बहुत important relations है. Mainly reflexive, symmetric, transitive. On this they asked in previous year questions. So we'll do questions tomorrow. Now what is transitive relation? R is a relation from A to A is said to be transitive relation. That if and only if IFF means if and only if A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. तो ये बी बी है ना, ए बी बी सेम हो गया, तो ए कामा सी इज अ रिलेशन. ओके, देन सच रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन. ओके, अभी एग्जाम्पल बोलता हूँ. अभी है ना, नाम ज़्यादा नहीं पता. समीक्षा है ना, फिक्स है ना समीक्षा? हाँ, राइट. सो श्रुति, आरती, समीक्षा, राइट. इफ श्रुति, सुनो, श्रुति सिस्टर टू दिस आरती, that Aarti is a relation, sister to that Samiksha. Then what is Samiksha and Shruti? Sisters. वही बोल रहा है, यही वही बोल रहा है. See here, A comma B is a relation, B comma C is a relation. इसमें कौन बीच में था? आरती था, तो आरती B है, right? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. Because of this Aarti, because of this you got A comma C also relation, right? See friendship में करे तो आप दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे, वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे, तो वो फ्रेंड्स होने की वजह से आप दोनों फ्रेंड्स हो गए. ऐसा ये किसकी वजह से हुआ था फ्रेंड्स? वो आरती की वजह से. सो सच कभी आपको दिखता है ऐसा, A comma B is a relation, B comma C is a relation. If A comma C also relation, such relation is called as ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन. हाँ, आ गया सर? डेली मार्क्स बदलते हो? हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, मैं भी ट्राई करता हूँ. ठीक है सर, चलो इसको देखते हैं ना एक बार. आर इज द रिलेशन ए गामा बी वेर ए लेस देन बी, है ना? ए लेस देन बी बोलना मुझे, बोलो फटाफट. 1 गामा 2, ओके ठीक है. 1 comma 2, next 1 comma 3, next 1 comma 4, next 2 comma, next 2 comma 4, okay 3 comma 4, next बस चलो. अभी है ना, ये आ गया रिलेशन. आप देखना है हमको, बहुत बहुत ध्यान देना है इसको, बहुत बहुत देखना पड़ता है. अभी देखो ना, इसको 1 कामा 2 दिखा, और ये इधर 2 कामा 3 दिखा, तो इधर आरती आया है ना, आरती आया ना, तो उसको देखना है दूसरा कौन आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा. 1 कामा 3 आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा, आ रहा है, तो परफेक्ट, आ गया, वेरी गुड. अभी 1 कामा 3 दिखा, तो 3 में कौन दिख रहा है? 3 कामा 4 भी दिख दिया. 1 कामा 3, 3 कामा 4, तो कौन दिखना चाहिए आपको? 1 कामा 4 दिख गया यार, राइट, मस्त. अब हो गया. अभी इधर आते हैं. 1 कामा 4 दिखा, अच्छा उसके बाद कौन दिखना चाहिए आपको? 4 में दिखना चाहिए. 4 में नहीं है, तो इसको देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. चलो वो आते ही थे तो देखना है, नहीं तो नहीं देखना है. हाँ, तो 1 कामा 4 कामा नहीं है ना, तो उसको देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. अभी 2 कामा 3 है, 2 कामा 3 में 3 कामा 4 आया, तो कौन है? 2 कामा 4 है, चला ठीक है. अभी 2 कामा 4 आया, 2 कामा 4 है तो 4 में आना चाहिए, नहीं है ना? हाँ, 3 कामा 4 है तो 4 में आना है, 4 में नहीं है ना, तो जो भी है उसमें दिखने वाला आ गया है, तो आ गया ना, तो ये ट्रांजिटिव है. समझ में नहीं है? इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ, देखो. So whenever 1 comma 2 is there, corresponding to that 2 comma something should be there. So 2 comma is there, 2 comma 3. So when these two things are appeared, then because of these two is a common in both, it should be appeared 1, 3 order pair somewhere. If it is appeared, it is satisfied. Like if I go for 1, 3, that corresponding coordinate, first coordinate 3 should be started. So we is starting with 3, 3, 4. If these both are there, then that connection वाला 1, 4 चाहिए. ये कनेक्शन में 3 वाला कनेक्शन है, 1, 4 चाहिए तो है. तो मोस्टली ये ट्रांसिटिव कनेक्शन है, तो कनेक्शन करने वाली आरती है. ठीक है, चलो हो गया, ये ट्रांसिटिव बन गया. इसका मतलब क्या है, सुनो सर, लास्ट वाला है इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. ए रिलेशन आर इज सेड टू बी इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन if that relation satisfies reflexive relation, I not written here, reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation. If any relation which satisfy all the three relations, such relation is called equivalence relation. Clear? Picture clear? हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और थोड़ा रहते हैं और एक रिलेशंस भी रहते हैं. क्या क्या है बताता हूँ, ये एग्जाम में नहीं आते, बताता हूँ, एक बार देख लो. So this is A, set A, set B here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 7, 7, 8. ऐसा ना? This is we can call this is as unique relation. है ना? एक है. तो एक unique relation है. अभी ये ऐसा है, समझो ऐसा. 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. Many to one relation. If it is like this, many to one relation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll write all these things. And this is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. This is unique relation. This is many to one relation. And next one is A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 6. ये भी many 1 to many should be there. 1 to many over. Many to 1. Many to 1. This is many to 1. Many to 1. This is many to 1. This is 1 to 1. This is called as 1 to 1. This is called 1 to 1. This is called many to 1 and 1 to many. Suppose 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So 1 to many. So this is 1 to many, 1 to 1, many to 1. इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन नहीं आते. But just this I am just explaining. This is not mandatory. है ना? This is also there. है ना, कभी कोई बुक में देखते हो तो बोलना मत मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया. ठीक है, ये भी है. राइट, विल डू सम्स. सो टुमारो विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दिस रिलेशंस. सो टुमारो दिस चैप्टर गोइंग टू बी एंड. ओके, ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद फंक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, हाउएवर